Semen retention is more than just avoiding ejaculation. It is a path to reclaiming control over your energy, your mind, and ultimately, your life. For beginners, the idea can feel intimidating, even overwhelming. You might wonder if it's possible, if the urges will break you, or if it's even worth the effort. The truth is, almost everyone struggles in the early days, not because semen retention is impossible, but because most people approach it with the wrong mindset, trying to force perfection instead of embracing the process. The key is to start simple, stay consistent, and gradually build the mental and physical discipline that will allow you to transform your impulses into power, creativity, and clarity. The first step in starting semen retention is to understand your environment and remove immediate triggers. These triggers are everywhere: social media, websites, apps, videos, certain conversations, or even people who unconsciously provoke desire. For beginners, it's essential to create a safe mental and physical space where temptation is minimized. This doesn't mean isolating yourself from the world. It means being intentional about what you let into your mind. Think of your environment like soil. You can't plant new seeds if the ground is full of weeds. Clearing out triggers allows your mind to begin adjusting without constant stress or resistance. This step alone can dramatically reduce the difficulty of the first few days. Redirecting your energy into healthy, life-affirming activities is the next critical step. Physical activity, even in small doses, has an immediate effect on your ability to resist urges. A brisk walk outside, a short workout, stretching, or even hanging exercises can help stabilize your mood, regulate hormones, and release pent-up energy in a productive way. Sunlight, in particular, is vital. Exposure to natural light boosts your vitamin D levels, which supports testosterone production, improves mood, and helps regulate sleep cycles. The combination of movement, fresh air, and sunlight doesn't just make your body stronger. It gives your mind clarity, resilience, and focus. Nutrition is equally important in the early stages. Your diet directly affects your energy, mood, and hormone balance, all of which influence your ability to practice semen retention. Foods rich in zinc, magnesium, vitamin D, healthy fats, and lean proteins help maintain balanced hormones, increase energy, and enhance mental clarity. On the other hand, sugar, processed foods, and dopamine, spikes from junk food, make it harder to resist urges. These quick highs create crashes that leave your brain foggy and your self-control weakened. By choosing whole, nutrient-dense foods, you give your brain the fuel it needs to build discipline and resist temptation naturally. Avoiding alcohol completely is non-negotiable in the early phase. Alcohol lowers your self-control, disrupts hormone balance, and clouds mental clarity. Even small amounts can sabotage your progress. Until your mind is fully conditioned to handle the discipline of semen retention, eliminating substances that weaken your resolve is essential. Think of it this way: every choice to avoid alcohol, junk food, or other harmful substances is like placing a brick in the foundation of a stronger, more focused version of yourself. Mental activity and mindset are just as critical as physical health. Reading, learning, and engaging in creative or challenging activities redirect your mind from sexual urges toward growth. Beginners often try to suppress desire by sheer force, which only creates frustration and eventual relapse. Instead, channel your energy into intellectual and personal growth. Each hour spent reading, learning a new skill, or reflecting on your goals strengthens your brain's ability to delay gratification. Over time, your mind begins to associate reward not with instant pleasure, but with achievement, progress, and self-mastery. Discipline is like a muscle. It grows gradually with practice. In the first days, it's normal to feel restless, frustrated, or tempted. Don't expect perfection immediately. Start with small, achievable goals, even if it's just 1 or 2 days at first, and build upward. Celebrate small victories. Each successful day reinforces your brain's ability to sustain control. Over time, as the days turn into weeks, your self-control strengthens, urges diminish, and you begin to feel a profound sense of energy and confidence. This is where the rewiring of your brain truly begins. The mind starts forming new patterns, where control, focus, and discipline become the default, and instant gratification loses its hold. Mindfulness is an underrated but essential tool for beginners. When an urge arises, don't fight it with anger or shame. Instead, observe it, acknowledge it, and gently redirect your focus towards something productive. Simple breathing exercises, meditation, or just walking and observing your surroundings can help you manage urges without stress. The more you practice, the more your brain learns to regulate itself. Urges are no longer commands demanding action. They become signals you can respond to with wisdom. This awareness accelerates brain rewiring and helps maintain your momentum during the toughest early phases. Structure in your daily life can make or break your success. Boredom and idle time are triggers that almost always lead to relapse in the early days. Create a daily routine that fills your mind and body with purpose. Morning sunlight, exercise, healthy meals, reading, learning, and skill building are all powerful anchors. Each structured day reinforces control and gradually teaches your mind that fulfillment comes from growth, connection, and achievement rather than instant pleasure. Consistency is more important than intensity. Small, repeated actions create lasting habits, while occasional extremes often lead to failure. Sleep is another cornerstone of success in semen retention. A tired brain is weak and easily overwhelmed. Poor sleep lowers your ability to resist urges, clouds judgment, and weakens discipline. Deep, restorative sleep supports hormone balance, mental clarity, and the brain's natural ability to form new neural pathways. Consider sleep as invisible training for your brain. It strengthens the mind in ways that practice alone cannot. Prioritizing quality rest will make the challenges of semen retention significantly easier. It's also important to acknowledge that this journey is deeply personal. The early days may test your patience and determination. Urges will come unexpectedly, boredom will feel unbearable, and motivation may dip. This is normal. Beginners must remember that progress is gradual. Small daily choices, avoiding triggers, exercising, reading, eating well, seeking sunlight, and practicing mindfulness compound over time. Each day is a building block, and the cumulative effect is transformational. You begin to experience clarity, heightened energy, and a sense of control that many never achieve because they remain slaves to instant gratification. Semen retention is about harnessing your most vital energies and redirecting them toward purpose, growth, and self-mastery. For beginners, success is built on simplicity. Eliminate triggers, structure your day, nourish your body, move and exercise, spend time outside, engage your mind, avoid alcohol, and practice mindfulness. Every small step strengthens your discipline, rewires your brain, and slowly transforms urges from something uncontrollable into a source of power and clarity. Over time, the rewards become unmistakable. Confidence, focus, energy, mental clarity, and a deep sense of personal mastery. Ultimately, the journey of semen retention is not just about abstaining. It is about reclaiming control over your body, mind, and life. By starting small, staying consistent, and embracing the process, beginners can gradually rewire their brains, strengthen their self-discipline, and harness energy in ways that dramatically improve every aspect of life. What starts as a challenge becomes a profound opportunity, the chance to transform your impulses into creativity, your energy into action, and your mind into a tool for growth and achievement. Each day you choose discipline, structure, and purpose. You lay the foundation for a life far beyond what most ever imagine. The path of semen retention is a journey, not a race. The small, repeated choices, exposure to sunlight, daily exercise, mindful activity, healthy nutrition, structured routines, deep sleep, and the avoidance of triggers, build the architecture of a transformed mind. Gradually, the brain rewires itself. Cravings diminish, energy rises, clarity emerges, confidence grows, and what once seemed impossible becomes your new normal. A life of focused energy, unshakable discipline, and limitless potential. The first step is simple. Start today, stay consistent, and trust the process. Transformation comes not from instant mastery, but from small, deliberate actions repeated every day until they become a part of who you are. If you made it until here, leave a crown emoji in the comments. I want to see how many of you reached the end and finished what you started. Remember, live with honor or die a coward. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay strong.